Hey guys, good morning, good morning. It's Hartman. We are in the woods this morning. We're gonna be putting together a Moultrie deer feeder. Break into it and see what we got. Okay, looks like we got some buckets here. Let me put the hardware probably, timer. Legs. It just bolts through the bottom with these square, these hex bolts and a lock washer and a wing nut. So, show you how to do that. Okay guys, it's the finished product on putting those bolts in. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's got wing nuts and those bolts. I will say if it's cold outside like it is right now for me, you're gonna have to kind of fight these wing nuts and get this this lip to click in, push down. I had to push down several times to get it to go, and then just work it. So, got it put together, lock those legs together. I wish they had some set bolts in these legs to keep them tight. That's one thing I noticed about it that I wish it had. But we'll see how it goes. I know some people said they've had problems with the squirrels and deer manipulating this to get the corn out. So some people have to build cages on them. Let me know in the comments if you've had this problem and what you did to fix it, because I'm probably gonna have to do the same thing. There's a lot of raccoons and squirrels out here, and the deer are smart as well. So let me show you this part here. This is the timer and the batteries. It's got a little flip down, so you can get to the timer easier. And it takes 4 AA batteries.